This video will look at the host agencies that offer training, education, and support for new travel professionals, and I'm Joni Ogg. I hear this question all the time, and the answer to it is a resounding yes. Many host agencies have formidable opportunities for brand new travel agents who may have absolutely no experience so that they can immediately start selling travel. Starting a business of any kind without experience is very challenging, and as you need to develop a concept, comply with legal issues, set up your books, contact suppliers, develop a marketing strategy, and so many other tasks. This is all very daunting for someone new to starting a business, especially a new travel business. So rather than go into detail of how to do it, we decided to reach out to host agencies that love to work with brand new and inexperienced travel agents. They all offer turnkey opportunities and really can catapult you into your own travel business overnight and with ease. So here are some of the best. We asked Chad Burt, co-owner of Outside Agents, to tell us some of the highlights of their program, and here is what he shared. We have a process, not a program. Programs do what they're programmed to do, and nothing more. Programs don't work in business building. They're just too rigid for individual needs. OutsideAgents.com is different. We work directly with our agents to implement personalized, dynamic processes of change that evolve to grow highly successful travel businesses over time. We do this by making onboarding easy. Just 4 simple steps. In addition to industry-leading training, we make business building personal with a dedicated, seasoned mentor for each of our agents. And their sole purpose is to share decades of experience to guide entrepreneurs through the maze of resources, tools, and processes that lead to a successful travel business. We've been doing this for nearly 30 years. We know there are no cookie-cutter solutions, no 7-step plan to be a $1 million agent. Only hard work and personal support from experts lead to the success. And that's what we do. We help you find your process that leads to your success and your happy place. So we also spoke to Summer Corbett, Director of Sales and Marketing for Uniglobe Travel Center, and she shared the following. Uniglobe Travel Center's Mentor You program is a one-on-one coaching program for passionate entrepreneurs ready to launch their own travel business. Travel advisors that are new to the industry receive 3 months of weekly interactive coaching via Zoom from 2 experienced travel agency professionals with a diverse depth of experience. The coaches will cover 2 main areas of the industry, being a travel advisor and operating a travel agency. The travel advisor side of the program will introduce you to the tools and the resources required to research travel for your clients, create trip itineraries and quotes, make bookings, and manage bookings. They will also help you become familiar with the different products and policies of various travel suppliers. The Mentor You program also places a strong emphasis on the travel agency piece to ensure you know how to run your business and get clients. Your coaches will familiarize you with relevant laws and consumer protection rules you must be aware of and they'll also educate you on insurance for both you and your clients, as well as collaborate with you to craft a custom sales and marketing plan by utilizing marketing tools and sales best practices. By the end of your 3-month program, the goal is to have some bookings under your belt, have your agency fully launched, and have a game plan in place to move forward and grow your business. Uniglobe Travel Center provides you with a solid foundation to navigate the travel industry as a successful travel advisor and business owner. So as you begin your journey into being a travel professional, you'll learn quickly that the connections you create with others in the travel industry become very important and ultimately can assist you in your success. Now, these established host agencies share a value that you cannot put a price tag on, and that is connections. Through years of experience and knowledge, each host agency in this article offers that to you as a new travel professional. It's important to not only be educated on the benefits, commission structure, support, and affiliations that a host agency holds, but also on their vision and their goals. As you start your travel agency, you'll be overwhelmed and overjoyed with all of the things you will learn along your journey. So we had a chance to chat with Jackie Friedman, the president of Nexion Travel Group, and she spoke to some of Nexion's features and benefits. Nexion Travel Group is a leader in the host travel industry. In its efforts in attracting and training new travel agents, in 2013, we launched Travel Leaders of Tomorrow. The Legacy Training Program Virtual Campus is 18 weeks of classroom training with an experienced instructor. New travel agents learn in a small group with other students and follow a curriculum based on the Travel Institute's script kit. In 2017, Travel Leaders of Tomorrow added a self-paced program called Independent Learner that does not include the instructor classroom model. In 2015, Nexion formalized a partnership with Travel Leaders of Tomorrow, and they combined their award-winning Next Strides coaching program and launched 2 new travel agent programs, Next Start and Next Start Lite. In 2019, Nexion launched a training program for cruise-only travel agents called Next Start Cruise. And for retired military and active duty spouses, they launched the scholarship program Veterans in Travel. Nexion offers 5-day essential courses and 3-day boot camps. New Nexion travel agents have immediate access to programs and tools and really can begin earning commission with their very first booking. And Nexion recently launched the Roadmap to Success, updating their library with over 700 new resources using video and quick references. Nexion provides all members with support and air ticketing and all kinds of programs and supplier training and marketing programs, events, and just so much more. Michelle Fee, the founder and CEO of Cruise Planners, shared the following with us about their programs for new agents. One of the reasons why Cruise Planners has been so successful over the past 27 years with over 2,500 franchisees is that anyone can start with or without travel or sales experience. We know that the most successful agents are the ones who have the most knowledge, so we start you off at our award-winning Star University, where you get access to the industry's top experts giving you insight into sales, marketing, and how to build a successful business. In addition, we offer an array of in-person trainings around the country, from boot camps to technology information days, all the way to our annual convention. But we don't stop there. We have more continuous training than most host agencies with on-demand, online educational programs throughout the year for continuing education for all agents who want to expand their knowledge. In addition to the extensive training, we hold virtual group trainings called Let's Talk, one-on-one coaching calls, a 12-series live coaching program, and CP Genie, our portal for everything you need to know. We support our agents when it comes to marketing with hands-free direct mail, e-deals, and so much more. And we also equip our agents with our award-winning proprietary and cutting-edge technology that allows you to work from anywhere in the world. We are the only host franchise that has an app where you can log in and connect to our back-end tool with all your clients' information and bookings. We know that your success is our success, so we partner with you to help you grow your business. If you're looking for a host franchise that cares about you, works closely with you to build your business, and has invested in the right tools and programs to help you become successful, then you need to call Cruise Planners today. So, is support and training important? Yes, it is. Having a host agency partner that offers ongoing opportunities for training and support is crucial to your success as a travel professional. There are always new offerings, new resorts, new cruises, and new destinations. Being informed on these new travel options can make your success. A host agency that offers ongoing education and support will not only help you be educated and informed, but also assist you along your journey to success. So then we spoke with Melissa Land, marketing coordinator of Dugans Travels, about what Dugans Travels program offers for new agents. Now, while another agency might be hesitant to bring on new agents who lack experience in the industry, we are all over it. If you're interested in starting a travel business, work with a family of agents. Dugans Travels works closely with new agents to provide the best-in-class services that help travel entrepreneurs to build and grow with low startup costs and simple price structures and close-knit community. And Dugans Travels helps you to construct a solid foundation for your business. You can take your business idea and turn it into a travel sales empire on your terms using our many tools and resources. And Dugans Travels host agency supports include new agent orientation, mentorship, professional development, marketing tools and support, and access to industry, continued business support, and networking opportunities. More than a tagline, our family of agents rallies around new agents to encourage and support your success. And we've been proudly serving the travel agent community for over 22 years, helping new agents evolve into trusted travel professionals. If a travel agency ownership is something you've been thinking of, take the leap in 2022 and schedule your welcome call with a Dugans Travels team member today. We can't wait to welcome you into our family of agents. Now, we've known the Simon family, the owners of Incentive Connection Travel, for so many years, and Robert Simon, the co-owner, shared with us some information about their program for agents. And Incentive Connection Travel recognizes new agents as an asset. These agents bring a fresh approach and a new perspective, thinking outside the box. Their desire to acquire the knowledge needed to succeed in travel makes them an ideal partner. And we offer daily seminars that cover every aspect of making your business a success, such as how do we get started? How do we get clients? What vendors should we use? The training we provide to answer these questions comes from the meetings we sponsor several times weekly between new and existing agents to allow them to ask questions and get real life experience from the agents who know. A new agent can contact the ICT staff at any time to get their immediate questions answered. Why should a new agent sit through a class to learn about procedures they're bound to forget by the time the class is over? They're welcome to contact our office at any time by phone, email, and the owners of ICT will take all the time needed to discuss these questions with the agents. It's far more profitable to learn from mistakes made by others than to learn from repeating them. So our new agents receive the value of business experience from owners of ICT and the value of real life experience from our agents. Now, next, we had the opportunity to sit with Steve Hirschon, Senior Vice President of Sales at Avoya Travel, and we learned all about the programs available to new agents. And Steve shared the following with us. You bring the passion for travel, we bring the resources to help you succeed. If you enjoy a flexible lifestyle and have an entrepreneurial drive, there's never been a better time to start owning your success. With the demand for travel advisors more than ever before, joining an industry leading travel company like Avoya Travel opens new doors for you to set up, scale up, and succeed. Now, we've listened to advisor feedback during these times and updated many of our resources to help those new to travel get started. In 2022, we're going to offer even more educational opportunities through our Mastermind program, designed to help build successful business practices through proven methods and realistic process, and achieve success with live leads, new clients sent directly to you. In addition to courses offered in Avoya University that help you become acquainted with our innovative company culture and technology platform, the Avoya Network Enrichment Team has recently even added content specifically geared to those new to the travel industry. With Avoya, you can build your business and solutions customized to fit your needs, including technology, support, and marketing, including a library of diverse marketing assets, the Marketing Resource Center. No experience? No problem. Use our industry-leading services and more than 50 years of experience to hit the ground running. With economical startup costs, this is an opportunity unlike any other to build and grow a successful independent business. So as you can see, there are a lot of options and things to consider when choosing your host agency partner. Now, we offer a multitude of tools, information, and resources for travel professionals looking to partner with a host agency at www.findahosttravelagency.com. Starting your search is easy, and our filter function there allows you to select the criteria that are most important to you. And after making your selections, the host agency list will be automatically updated with the host agency's partners that offer these items to you. Now, these features will cut your time spent searching for the right fit and will make your business come up in minutes, not hours. Now, after narrowing down your list of possible host agencies, download the free host agency checklist to keep track of the items that you're looking for and what they offer. Ultimately, you'll want to conduct your host agency interview in that process. The host agency checklist can be a helpful tool to help you track your notes. We really hope that this information has helped you in learning more about the benefits of partnership with a host travel agency as a new travel professional. Feel free to visit our site at www.findahosttravelagency.com for more helpful tips, tools, and resources to get your travel agent career started today. And thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. We hope that you've enjoyed it. Why not give it a like or a share? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, why not subscribe to our channel?